This photograph was taken with an iPhone and is causing too much controversy because it looks like three people, but it should actually be the same person. The photograph has gone very viral, but let me tell you what its origin is. It was taken with an iPhone 12 by an English comedian. Her name is Tessa Coates, and the photograph caught too much attention because it looks at the position of the arms. In the left mirror, it is a different position from the one we observe in the right mirror, and in turn, it is a different position from the one the real person has. She decided to go to an Apple store to ask why this problem had happened, and they explained to her what you may already know. When taking a picture, the iPhone usually captures multiple pictures to merge them and create a picture with the best possible quality. Only in this case, it went to the extreme of capturing different moments of the person's movements to merge them and create a photo with a good quality. This function can become especially useful in group photographs, but it seems that in this type of photographs with mirrors could give very strange results. Although from the Apple Store pointed out that this is a very rare case that is 1 in a million. Recall that photography in cell phones has introduced a new term called computational photography that takes advantage of the power that these processors have to merge or put with artificial intelligence enhanced things and the like. It is a term that Google introduced for the first time in its Pixel devices, and that little by little other manufacturers were adopting. And although iPhone does not use the term computational photography, the reality of things is that it does computational photography.